Where's the thing?
Welcome to the 2025 Kids Fishing Derby. Fish on.
I've been coming here for about 30 years with my kids. I think it's just something fun for all the kids to do, family fun. I mean, my kids all enjoy doing it, and now I get to enjoy it with my grandson. So.
Not as big as the last one. You would have got scared of the last one.
No, I want you to pull the hook. Stop right here.
What's your name? How old?
Okay. 3.14. So we do the smallest fish and the biggest fish. The smallest fish goes there, another ticket.
Hernandez.
My first one was big, and now this is my second big one. Oh!
Go ahead, get it.
You wanna touch it?
Go.
Yeah.
2.26.
He's like, yeah.
4, 4, 3, 2. 3, 6, 0. All right, we are starting with the largest fish in the 5 to 8 age group, with a fish of 5.34 pounds. So here is your trophy for catching the biggest fish in your age